Let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. This video is brought to you by Invest Social, a community where group of traders of like-minded people, both beginners, trade experienced traders, no, basically traders of all different experience level come together to share market insights, ideas, strategies, knowledge, and one or two things to learn. Also, market insights are being shared in this community. It has a section for forex, crypto, commodities, indices, and and so on, and also stocks. So, if you want to be part of this community, it should be best for you. You can visit investsocial.com. Now, let's see what we will be expecting on gold. Starting with the trend right here, gold is on bearish move. We are in a bearish move. Gold is literally that series of moves to the downside as we are having a series of lower low, lower high. Markets was able to drop and then we had a pullback, which is a lower high. Market then was able to drop again to give us a new high, a low, new low, sorry. And here is the pullback, which is a lower high. Market then came to form an equal low, and this is a pullback, which is a lower high. Now, with this movement, we are to expect market to drop further till it is able to take out this low, thereby giving us a new low. So basically, we are anticipating for to the downside on our gold. That gold should eventually take out this low. So we should see it drop to a level of 3964. So Wednesday, between Tuesday and Wednesday, we should hit a level of 3964 within that level. Let's drop down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is just pulling back. This is just a pullback. 4 hour time frame is given. Once the London section opens, I'll advise you. Maybe by then markets might push up, due to the fact that a lot of certainty going on, which might push gold up a bit, but eventually it should be able to drop. That is it, what to be expecting. It should eventually be able to drop. More update on this will be covered. And if you find this video helpful, you can visit investsocial.com to join